Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have on 2 coats of Holo Taco Pilly Base on top of my builder gel, and then I did apply, or I'm going to apply, 1 coat of IGel Beauty's gel base coat to all nails, and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And so just hang out with me while I do this. And it's easier to polish these nails. Well, number one, let me say this: IGel Beauty's gel polishes are very thin consistency, so you have to be careful. Like, I put too much base on the brush, and you see I haven't dipped back in the bottle, and I polished 4 nails. I do my thumbs separately so I can turn it straight or upright straight in the lamp. And so IGel Beauty's gel polishes are a 30-second cure. And so the color that I'm going to be using is Cosmic Latte. This is one of my favorite neutral colors, like one of my favorites. I even have it in dip powder, and you can see it I think it looks good with my skin tone. It's just, this is the color that I particularly like. And so I'm going to apply a thin layer of color to all nails, cure for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to apply a second layer of thin layer of color and cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So after I get all my nails cured, I do apply top coat off camera and cure for 30 seconds. I'm going in with IGel Beauty's foil transfer gel. I'm applying that to my entire middle finger and half of my index finger and my ring finger, because I only want foil on half of those nails. And if you're concerned about, like, do you get your line straight, the thing is, I can go in with a nail brush. Well, I do go in, not I can, but I do go in with a nail brush and alcohol just to kind of clean that line up, because I could see the shiny part of where I applied the foil transfer gel. So once I get that placed, or to my liking on the nail, I'm going to go in and give my nails a full 60-second cure in my LED lamp. And so once I get that cured, I'm going in with this kind of tropical themed nail foil. I think this came from Daily Charm, I think. And I'm just placing that on the nail. I'm going to use the my silicone tool, and I'm just going to keep rubbing, rub the crap out of it till you can't rub no more, to make sure that image transfers on the nail. So I'm going to repeat that from middle finger, ring finger, and my index finger. so I kind of got foil on the other half of the nail. I'm just going in with alcohol and a nail brush or acetone and just crisping that line up. And so off camera I do apply some nail striping stickers to those two nails, and then I apply a single cuticle champagne colored rhinestone to my thumbnail and my pinky nail off camera. And so before I apply another layer of base and top coat, I'm just taking the silicone tool and making sure those stickers are pressed down on the nail. And so the reason why I'm applying another layer of base coat is because, or did I apply top coat? I can't tell, but it's because I want to seal that in. I want to make sure that this does not lift off of the nail. And so I apply that cure for 30 seconds, the gel base. It kind of encapsulates the foil, and then I go in with no wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds. So after curing, you want to go in and apply your favorite cuticle oil. And here's the finished look. So guys, please like this like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free in 2023. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.